All right, fifth graders, we are going to begin the Unit 7 Social Studies test titled Comparing the Colonies. We're going to begin with the building vocabulary section. Use the words from the word bank to complete each sentence. Assembly, economy, grant, industries, West Indies. Number 1. The way people use their resources to meet their needs and wants is called a or an assembly, economy, grant, industries, West Indies. Number 2. The blank are the islands between southeastern North American and northern South America. Assembly, economy, grant, industries, West Indies. Number 3, King Charles II decided to blank or give land in North America to William Penn. Assembly, economy, grant, industries, West Indies. Number 4, a body of lawmakers is called a assembly, economy, grant, industries, West Indies. Number 5, the New England colonies supported many blank or groups of businesses that provide certain goods or services. Assembly, economy, grant, industries, West Indies. Number 6, someone who agreed to work for an employer for a set period of time in order to pay off a debt was called A, a slave, B, a colonist, C, an apprentice, D, an indentured servant. Number 7, Massachusetts Bay was founded to protect A, Baptists, B, Catholics, C, Puritans, D, Quakers. Number 8, why was Rhode Island founded? A, to be a trade center, B, to offer religious freedom, C, to have large tobacco farms, D, to home many poor people. Number 9, the economies of the colonial regions differed because they had different A, governments, B, languages, C, origins, D, resources. Number 10, plantations specialized in producing A, fine food, B, cash crops, C, dairy cattle, D, wood furniture. Number 11, the British included people from A, Germany, B, Holland, C, Ireland, D, Scotland. Number 12, why was Georgia founded? A, to help poor debtors avoid jail, B, to trade with Spanish colonies, C, to raise taxes from new settlers, D, to shelter former slaves. Number 13, which of these was an advantage of Maryland as a place to settle? A, crops did not grow well. Excuse me, I read that question incorrectly. Let me repeat that one more time. Number 13 is which of these was a disadvantage of Maryland as a place to settle? A, crops did not grow well. B, forest trees were scarce. C, mosquitoes spread disease. D, people did not stay long. Number 14, why were the Quakers mistreated in England? A, they refused to obey laws. B, they often received special favors from the king. C, they thought that people should overthrow kings by force. D, they practiced a different religion from most English people. Number 15, during the colonial period, who did the hard work on plantations in the southern colonies? A. Religious leaders. B. Family members. C. Enslaved Africans. D. Volunteer teenagers. Number 16. What advantage did the climate of New England give the colonists there? A. The hot summers were ideal for growing the cash crop tobacco. B. The winter cold killed insects and germs that caused disease. C. The long growing seasons and rich soil made farming easy. D. The mild winter weather allowed river navigation all year round. 17. What made the colony of New York a good place for trade? A. It had a network of railroads to carry goods far and wide. B. It had a good harbor and major rivers for transporting goods. C. It was closer to Europe than any of the other colonies. D. It had very few laws restricting trade. That was number 17. Number 18. William Penn founded Pennsylvania because he wanted a colony where A. Quakers could live safely. B. Catholics could run the government. C. Puritans could practice their religion freely. D. Slavery would never be permitted. Number 19. What was the colony of Maryland's geography well suited for? A. Growing tobacco. B. Raising bees. C. Sewing clothing. D. Harvesting acorns. Last, number 20. Why were many debtors sent to the southern colony of Georgia? A. They became indentured servants. B. They were sent to a nearby prison. C. They earned money to avoid going to jail. D. They volunteered for community service.